Two words, two different jobs. Cleaning removes the dirt you can see. Sanitizing kills the bacteria you cannot. Both are necessary, and neither one is enough on its own. A surface that looks spotless can still be covered in pathogens. And a surface that's been sprayed but is visibly dirty is not food safe either. Looks are not proof. And here is the catch that trips people up. Sanitizer on a dirty surface does almost nothing. The grease and food residue neutralize it before it can kill a single bacterium. So the order matters more than anything. Here is the procedure, 5 steps, every time. 1. Scrape off all the loose debris. 2. Wash with an approved detergent into the grooves and corners. 3. Rinse off the detergent. 4. Apply sanitizer at the right strength and leave it the full contact time. 5. Air dry or use a clean single-use cloth. And never finish with a shared, used cloth. A cloth that's wiped other surfaces simply puts the bacteria straight back onto the one you just sanitized. Picture a chef in a hurry. A used board gets a quick spray of sanitizer and a wipe, but it was never cleaned first. The grease on it neutralizes the sanitizer instantly. The board looks done, but it is still carrying live bacteria onto the next food. Sanitizer only works at the right strength, for the right time. Mix sanitizer to the manufacturer's concentration and confirm it with test strips. A sanitizer bucket lasts for hours, a spray bottle 24. When it expires, never top it up, tip it out and make it fresh. Strength fades with time and use. Boards and knives are color-coded, and that code is non-negotiable. Each one is cleaned, sanitized, and dried between every product category. Using the wrong board for a product is, by itself, a cross-contamination event. Automatic dishwashers must reach 82 degrees on the final rinse, that's what sanitizes. Record that temperature every shift. If the machine can't reach it, switch to the 3-sink method and raise a maintenance request straight away. By hand, it's 3 labeled sinks: wash, rinse, sanitize. Fully submerge each item in the sanitized sink for the full contact time, then air dry and store inverted, off the floor. And never use sponges or wool pads, they harbor bacteria. Any produce eaten raw must be washed and then sanitized, a 2-stage process, no exceptions. Don't rinse after sanitizing, the residual level is safe to eat. And handle soft berries gently, a light spray only, or they collapse. And mind the small disciplines. Sanitizer stored below food, never in a food container. Cloths laundered, buckets emptied and rinsed at the end of every day. These habits are what keep the system honest. Scrape, wash, rinse, sanitize, dry. Do it in that order, every single time, and the surface is not just clean to the eye, it is genuinely safe. In episode 12, we keep the kitchen secure against pests. See you there.